Here I've got the BLACKVIEW BV9700 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner. Click on Settings, and now select Blocked Numbers. And here smoothly by selecting Add a Number, you can add some particular number to your blacklist. So simply enter the number that you would like to block, click on Block, and from now on this annoying number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this contact. Then if you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, simply click on the cross icon and confirm that you would like to unblock this number, so from now on he will be able to call you or send you a message. And that would be all. This is how you can block a number in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.